Hello friends, my name is Rana Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic input and output devices of computer. Friend, today's topic is very interesting and I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues. So friend, let's start. So friend, today's topic is input and output devices of computer. First of all, we have to understand that what is a computer, friend. Friend, computer is a data processing machine which takes input from the user and after processing it produces some result and output. That is called as the main definition of a computer. Let me try to give you an example here. For example, you have a blender and you in a blender you put some like some fruits, some milk, and after putting the like fruits and milk you click on the button and start the blender and blender blended all the things, and after processing it gives you a very nice and very good juice of fruit. So this is the output. So basically if you just see the definition of a computer, it the same applies on the computer as well. Basically computer takes input from us and after processing it gives you an output or result. For example, like this is a laptop, this is a computer. So it takes input like you type on the computer www.yahoo.com. So it is your input. And okay, this is your input for a computer. Computer takes input from you and process it and fetch the data and fetch the website of yahoo.com and display it to display on the screen of the laptop. So what is computer? Computer is basically a machine which takes input from the user and after processing it gives you an output or result. That is called as the definition of a computer. Now friend, what are the concept of input devices and output devices? Input devices concept, friend, here that it gives instruction to the computer. Okay, it gives input to the computer, or input means it gives instruction to the computer. Instruction means that it gives information to computer to do something. For example, if you go like some international food chains, for example McDonald or like KFC etc., or any other food chain, so definitely you will see there the touch screen. Friend, this touch screen, if you just see there, so this is an example of input device. Why? Because you select the menu, like for example how much the deal, which deal you want to purchase, you enter the amount and it will give an as an input to the computer, and after processing it gives you the result here. So this is called as the concept, this is called as input device of touch screen. These types of touch screen you have seen on airports, railway stations, on international food chains. So these types are also, you have definitely seen these types of touch screens on multiple malls, like big malls or grocery stores as well. These types of touch screen you have seen on that there. Then another is the camera. Camera is another type of input device for computer. How? Like you take the pictures and you can place these pictures by using this cable on the computer. So this is another type of input device for a computer. Scanner is an input device. How? Like for example you want to scan your pictures, your documents, like word documents, your photos, so you can scan all those types of things from by using the scanner device like that. Microphone is another type of input device, like you are recording the for example you are recording your video and you are saying something, like right now I'm also using the microphone. So these types of an example of the microphone is an input device. Input device means that you are giving something to computer. Mouse is a very common device of input. Like here it has two buttons, like right and left button, both has, and here in the middle there is a scroll, is as well. So friend, a mouse is a very common device which we use to give instruction to computer, like you can open folder, you can open file, you can click on options, icons. So in mouse is a very common input device. Keyboard. Keyboard, this is a very common example of input device. Like you can write, you can make documents by using the keyboard. Here you can write something like on the alphabet section or the numerical section, and it gives input to the computer. Joystick, for example, you are playing something like games. For playing games we use joysticks. It has multiple options, right, left, and many options are there. So by using the joysticks we normally use it for playing games. Web camera, web camera used to like for example, it is a camera normally attached with the computer. It is another type of example of input device. Normally what happened, like for example, you are using this camera to attach with the computer, and you can give your video, share your video with someone else. Trackball, this is a type of a mouse ball, mouse as well. You can use this mouse ball to track the ball or track the mouse or mouse icon on the desktop of a computer. So friend, these are the types of there are also other types are also available. This is a very simple example of input devices. The main concept of input devices is that it gives instruction to the computer. Okay, so to give instruction to the computer we use multiple types of devices. Now the output devices, friend, these are all these are the types of output devices. One is speakers. Like we can attach these types of speakers with the computer, so that we can listen the music, we can listen the wording video, voices of different people. So we use these types of speaker to attach with the computer, and it is a type of output device. Monitor or LCDs, are these are the types of output devices. Whatever the computer is producing the output, we can see from here by using the monitor or LCDs. Headphone is another type of the output device. We can, like by using the Bluetooth or by using the wires, we can use these headphones to connect with the computer, and the output from the computer, like music, my music audios, we can listen it by using the headphones. Plotter is basically a computer. It can be attached through the output devices with the computer, and like for example, you want to print something, so by using the plotter, it is sometimes something similar to printer, and we can use it as an output device to connect with the computer. Projector, normally like PowerPoint presentations, whenever we are sitting in like in offices, we use these types of projector to give output from computer on the wall on the large screen. Printer is a very important output device. For example, you want to print Microsoft Word documents, PowerPoint presentations, any images, so we can use printer to give output of computer on the hard paper or hard copy. So friend, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for your time. Thank you.